Like, what is going on? Like, how am I still here? Stuck points. That's why. Literally, like, these thoughts that are literally blocking you from getting any better. Like, hello. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Val, and welcome. Today, y'all are joining me on my couch, okay? Okay, so, oh my god, it's been like a little minute, right? It's been a little bit since I posted a video. I know I keep talking about this apartment tour, and I swear I was trying to do it and whatnot, but I just got things going on. If I'm honest, I've been pretty unmotivated to do much, including an apartment tour. Even though like I pretty much have everything figured out. Hold on, let me fix the camera. I thought I fixed it already. Anyway, as I was saying before, I've been pretty unmotivated. I've got a lot going on. I've been pretty just like in a more down place, okay? So I've not been wanting to do much of anything lately, but yeah, so that's been going on. Also, what else? I've just been feeling a lot lately. Life has just been a little bit much for me. It's just been a lot. But I wanted to come to you guys today with this video and just share a couple life hacks / tips that I'm learning right now. I'm going through therapy right now, going to therapy. I'm seeing a therapist for some issues that I have been struggling with, and she's been giving me like some tips and some pointers, which I think they're like just so useful, like for people, like not just me, like, you know, like I feel like anybody can like use these tips in their everyday life, and I feel like it'll just make things a little bit easier in that moment. I don't know if I want to do like a little like series of the things that I'm learning through therapy and counseling. I just like every time she tells me something, I'm just like shocked. At one, I have been seeing therapists for years now, and I have not had this much content like given to me ever. Like it was amazing to me. Like she's saying all these things to me, and I'm like, light bulb clicks. It makes sense. One of the first things we're like kind of discussing, and that is something called stuck points. Okay, stuck points. So let me just reiterate, this is not me. Like I didn't make any of this up. This is not coming from me. This is coming from my therapist lady. Okay, so like I said before, today's video is going to be on stuck points. This is one of the first big things that we've been talking about, and it has been incredible for me to even open my mind to what a stuck point is, and to draw my focus to them and just see how abundant they are in my life. Okay, so a stuck point, as defined in the little worksheet thing she gave me, is stuck points are thoughts that you have that keep you stuck from recovering. And for so long, like obviously I'm like, wow, I've been going through stuff like this for years. Like, what is going on? Like, how am I still here? Stuck points. That's why, like, if you think about, like, if you ever thought about like, why are you still in this place? Like, why haven't you been able to recover? Consider the fact that you might have stuck points. You might have things like that are literally like these thoughts that are literally blocking you from getting any better. Like, yeah, it's something that you want, but these continuous thoughts are literally blocking you from moving forward in any way. So stuck points are thoughts that may not 100% be accurate, okay? They may be thoughts about your understanding of why an event happened. They may be thoughts about yourself, others, and the world that have changed dramatically as a result of a traumatic event. Stuck points are concise statements. They can be formatted in an if-then structure. All right, so one of the examples given in the little worksheet was, if I let others get close, then I will get hurt. That's a stuck point, right? And it says stuck points often use extreme language such as never, always, and everyone. Okay, so just take a second and think of some stuck points, right? Okay, you got a couple? All right, let me share a couple of my stuck points with you, okay? Okay, so I have a bunch of stuck points, and that like was like I said before, I was like, what? I have all of these things like literally stopping me from like getting better. Like, what? That is actual stress. Okay, so one of my stuck points actually like happened in like real life. So I'm driving, I go through a drive-through. One of the cashiers, she knew me from school, and she was like, oh my gosh, I love your vlogs. But she's like, are you vlogging today? I was like, no girl, I'm not vlogging today. And she's like, oh my god, I love your vlogs. And I was like, oh my god, thanks. As soon as I left, I was like, no, she doesn't. Like, she's literally just saying that to be funny. Like, she's literally kidding. And I'm like, wait a second, hold up. I cannot be saying, like, wait. She took the time to compliment me. The least I could do is say thank you, take it as a compliment, and move on. There was no need to dissect. There's no need to try to belittle myself into thinking that her compliment was anything other than a compliment, right? So it's like stuff like that. Like, that would have been like something that I would have used to like tear myself down, you know what I mean? So another stuck point that I have is right now I'm in the process of like, you know, recovery and getting better and not doing all these things that will make me just so much better. But it's the scariest thing ever. It is extremely scary, okay? Like, it's really scary. For some reason, I think that I'm going to like live in the mindset that I have been living in forever. So one of my stuck points is I will not be able to recover. It's more than I'd ever imagine, right? Or there's another one, but it's a little bit extreme, and I don't feel like discussing like extreme stuff like that in here. Not right now, I don't. But basically, like, I have this thought that I'm not going to recover. Like, this is too much for me. Like, everything that I'm going through, all of my thoughts, all of my emotions are just too much for me, and I'm not going to get past where I am right now. That's an extremely limiting perspective. It's extremely limiting on what I know myself to be able to do. I know that, you know, I've been put through the ringer before. I've gotten out. And placing such heavy limitations on myself, as I have been doing for so long, that could very well be a big reason as to why I haven't been able to shift out of, you know, this era of negativity, I should say. But yeah, I advise you to figure out what are these thoughts that, and once you start, you won't be able to stop, because you're gonna be like, there's like literally all of these things that are literally holding me back, like self-limiting beliefs. Like, we have to stop that, you know. You know, my therapist was saying, it's not about taking negative beliefs and turning them positive. It's about turning your negative beliefs and the things that aren't real into realistic. And that like blew me. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. That like threw me for a loop. The amount of things that I have been thinking about and like creating in my mind that were not even realistic. Like all of these crazy things that make no sense. Like, for people like myself, I jump straight to the worst possible outcomes. I jump straight to the worst possible beliefs of myself. And that's, you know, it's not right. It's not fair to myself. It's not fair to the people around me. And yeah. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. I just thought it was so awesome. And I don't know, I think I just thought it would be really nice to share what I've been learning, because as somebody who wants to get better and wants this so bad, seeing other people and like, you know, the tips that they have been really helpful for me. So the fact that I'm getting this information, I wouldn't do anything else but share it. So yeah, that's today's video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more, okay? Be happy, be nice, be kind to people, love yourself, love other people, even though it can be hard sometimes. It can be really hard. But we're on this together. I don't know why that song keeps popping up in my head. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Okay, bye.